Hi, today's video is regarding Canon Pixma TR4520 printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the wireless scanning and printing using this printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi system. So inbuilt Wi-Fi system is like it's Wi-Fi direct or wireless direct we say, and we are directly connecting the printer with the Android device, iPhone, computer or laptop. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and we'll go on the display panel. Then click on the setting button. Now when you see the setup menu, we go ahead and look for the device setting option. Click OK. Now look for the LAN setting. Click OK again, and in that we look for the wireless direct and OK again. Here you will see switch wireless direct, so OK, we want to switch it on, so confirm that. So you will see it is switched on as it says done. Now go ahead and look for the security protocol and click OK and confirm it. Now here is the printer's Wi-Fi password, so write down this password or keep it on the screen and go to your smartphone. Download the Canon Print app from the App Store. Once you download it, now go and open the Wi-Fi setting and you look for the Direct 4500 series printer here and click on that. Now enter the password as you can see on the screen of the printer, and it is saved. Now we go back and open the Canon Print app. We have to add the printer here, so you will see this message, do you want to search for the available printers? You can click on yes. If you don't see this message, you can click on the printer's icon. Now to add, click yes. You will see confirmation as it says it is connected. You can click on the cancel button, and now I'll show you how to do the wireless scanning and copy. We can use top feeder tray for the wireless scanning. So we just have to place the pages facing upwards like this, and now we go and click on the scan button. We can also change the format because there is a setting here. We can change it to the PDF. We can also change the size, and then we can click on the scan button. You will see this screen. The result is saved in a location, so click OK. Now here you can see both pages are scanned and we have the copies here. Now you can save or you can share as well. You can see this button, and now you are able to save in a particular location if you want. Now go back, I'll show you how to do the wireless printing. So click on the document print section and select a document you want to print and click on the next. Select the page, or the if you want you can change that if you want you can change the details here. You can do two-sided printing, color and black, and give a command. So open the output tray. So here we can see the wireless printing and scanning is easy with this printer, so I recommend if you want to use it for the home and office. So this is the best printer you can use. It has a very good connectivity and it's very efficient in the work. You can use top feeder tray, you can use the bed as well, scanner bed. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.